Alright, now I'm at a point where I need to actually provide the link to the project as well as put a picture or embed the actual product on the post or in the post. So next to project, I'm going to write link to a presentation because I'm going to include a Google presentation here that I made. So the first thing I need to do is write those words, link to presentation. Then you actually need to go and find that presentation. So this is a Google presentation. You'll notice that I've already changed this to anyone with the link. That is the first thing you have to do. I'm then going to go back to my post. Oops. I need to copy that link, go back to the post, and instead of pasting that really long URL here, I'm going to highlight those three words, and I'm going to select the chain link button, the top middle here. And you don't want to paste the link here because it's not a site page, it's a web address. I'm going to paste the really long URL there, and I'm going to check off open this link in a new window and hit the red OK button. So by doing that, I've now made the link to presentation the actual link instead of seeing that really long URL of probably 100 characters. Now that I have the link, I want to actually embed that Google presentation. Since it's a Google product, I can embed it very nicely so it actually shows up the full presentation right on the actual post. So to do that, you're going to go to the Insert menu. You're going to come all the way over here to Drive, and you're going to say Presentation. And then that one was Digital Portfolio Presentation. So sometimes you have to search for it if it doesn't show up right away. You can keep the defaults or you can change them if you want, but I would recommend just leaving them as is. And then I can like center that if I want, or I could keep it aligned left, but I'm going to center mine. And then if I save, assuming that all of this information again is complete, I'm going to hit the blue save button. And then we'll notice that here's the information, and I can actually scroll through and I can actually see the presentation right inside of your portfolio. So that's a really cool way of actually doing what's called embedding a project. If I wanted to do a Google paper instead, let's say it was a paper, I'm just going to go back into edit mode and show you what that would look like. So I'm going to get rid of this presentation. And let's just pretend that this says paper, link to paper, and I want to embed a Google paper or Google Doc. This is the one that I want to embed. So again, I need to come up to the blue share. I'm going to change this to anyone with the link. So it's still private unless people know the link to your portfolio. Then I'm going to copy the really long URL. I'm going to go back to the post, and I'm going to go Insert. I'm going to go to Drive. I'm going to go to Document, and this happens to be right here. So I'm going to hit Select. I'm going to keep all the settings. Hit Save. And then I'm going to hit Save right here, and this time I should actually see my actual Google document right on my portfolio. And I do. And I can scroll through and I can see the whole thing right inside of my portfolio. So that's how you embed Google Documents, Google Presentations, Google Drawings, and even Google Spreadsheets.